Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet cat bed ideas, beautiful cat house. So please you must watch my video till the end. These beautiful ideas for cat lovers. Most demanding crochet collection. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, different shapes, different designing, beautiful ideas, beautiful free pattern. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet cat bed ideas. Most demanding collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice, beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet cat bed. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me.